Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can do your account settings on TranZact. So first of all, let us go to our setting module. Click on browse module. Then you need to go to settings module. Once you will come in settings, you need to click on accounts. So this is my setup of accounts. The very first is your bank detail. Here you can go ahead and mention your own bank account details. On your right hand side, you will see an option of add bank detail. Click on this and here you can go ahead and define the bank name, account number. This bank account detail will be used in two places. First, to display over invoice or any sales document like OC. And the second is you can go ahead and log a payment through this. Now talking about next the payment terms. So each and every company does have some payment terms regarding their buyer or supplier. So you can go ahead and create a master of the same and accordingly can use it while creating the document. Tax option will help you in enabling and disabling the taxes which you use. So you can select or unselect which tax you don't use and they will not come in your inventory or in your document. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage your account setting. Have a good day ahead.